Today we're going to bring a small tiny fence for your garden. So if you have a garden like I do, your dog's always getting in, or animals, you want to protect it, we'll give it some aesthetic look, a beautiful ambience to your garden. Let's take a look at it and see what it get. Check out how long it is, guys. It goes all the way over there, all the way over here, and because it's aluminum, you can manipulate this to fit anywhere pretty much. So we're going to put it in our fence line here, wrap around. And to hold it down, sometimes people put stakes. We're also going to do that too. All right, finally finished it, put it together. It took me about 10 minutes. I didn't really have to do any stakes or anything like that. But look at this. It prevents the actual plants from leaking out. Like I had to trim down a plant over there in that corner. I want to keep everything in there. Looks beautiful. Very easy to manipulate the metal because it's aluminum. I still have access to reach my water hose and everything else.